Speaking of Hurricane, he's got out of the rack a little early this morning to come down and join Ballsy and myself for the $3,000 giveaway.
That's absolutely right, Chris. Kirk's down here, and we've got our technical difficulties sorted out. We've got at one end here. See, the deal was, Fred? Or stupid? Fred entered to win this package from Olsens Goldsmith worth $3,000, all in the name of love.
And all he had to do was ask for your package, all in the name of love, and you would have given it to him for
The
nothing.
only thing I won't do is say I love you. The thing is, though, he wanted me to use his gun and his decorative paint, but we got Lance, who's the paintball expert shooting guy, to bring his big gun down here and his paint gun.
That's on his business card.
Yeah, that's on his big paintball shooting guy. And he is here. Lance, what kind of gun? Describe your gun for us here.
This is a autococker.
Really? Why wouldn't it be?
Why wouldn't it be an autococker? Do you see what you're shooting?
Yeah.
Dude at the end here has got it. Herc, what is he? You're closer to me than that.
You know what? I'm down here hanging out with Fred, and we. No.
His is gone.
I think I'm back now. Am I
There you
back?
are. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
cool. We've got a whole crowd down here. How about some?
We need a Wolf Howl.
Yeah, that's pretty good. We got a good crowd down here. Fred, how you doing this morning, brother? You know what? Come on over this way just for a second. We got some mic problems. Okay, how you doing this morning, man?
Pretty good.
All right, so tell us about this woman you're in love with here.
Well, her name's Jen Fraser. We've dated for about 10 months now. It's actually kind of a cool story because we dated 5 or 6 years ago, and it's like a first love come around second time.
Yeah. Take
Okay,
off
that's
your
enough to
jacket
make me
and
want
get
to
shot.
puke.
Okay, who wants to see this guy get shot?
Yeah. We don't care about love. We want to see you go down. Take off your jacket.
Now describe.
Yeah, I'm going to
Describe a picture.
Dude has his ass showing because all he's got on is a jock that he'd wear for kickboxing with the can on. He's got a Wolf logo on his left thigh. He's got "I love you, baby, till it hurts" painted across where he's going to get shot. And, he's ready to go.
Now, how many feet away is Lance?
25 feet away.
25 feet, okay.
Wow.
25 feet.
Wow.
And he's got on his head, he is covered on the head, too. He's got like a gas mask. If you go in like a firefighter would go in, that's what it kind of looks like. I don't know. That's the best way to describe
No,
it.
it's a paintball helmet.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, I think that's what it is, Ballsy.
I've never paintballed before. Sorry.
No,
I'm a
you've
nerd.
got other balls,
Jesus.
but, you know.
I'm a nerd. What can I say? Okay, are you ready? No,
Hang on here. I should get out of the way, right?
No, you stay right there.
You stay there, boss.
Okay, what I'm going to do is put my mic down here by Fred, and hopefully this damn thing works, okay?
Okay.
All right, well, I'll let you know if it doesn't.
Okay. No, you know what? We won't get you the whole... I don't want my mic wrecked. Come on.
Okay, let's see if it'll work there.
You know what? I'm just going to set it over here.
Is it still there, Chris?
Can you still hear us?
Yeah,
He's there. Okay, so what he's got to do is Fred's got to sing "Love Her" to the top of his lungs, scream, and we were deciding whether to go 5 rapid fire or 5 slow, but I think we're going to do this slow and easy. Yeah! Slow and easy, all right? So on the count of 3, we need a big wolf howl. 1, 2, 3. Let her rip, Lance.
Go ahead, Fred.
Love hurts, love scars, love wounds, and marks. Heart, not tough or strong.
Right in the nipple. Yeah.
Two more, eh?
Yeah, 2 more.
Love is like
One more. One more because you missed. One more, Freddie. Oh! Inner thigh. We got a man down. We got a bleeder.
We've got a piper down.
Oh, my God. Let's go run over to Fred. Fred, are you okay?
Oh, I feel great.
All I'm going to say is Fred looks awful. Got a bunch of stuff smeared on his chest.
I got a can on because it's kind of hard to be proud outside on a day like today. So.
That's hilarious. Hey, Fred, you're a gamer, and Jennifer's going to love you. $3,000. Here, wait a second. I think I was going to take it home, but there you go. There's your gift certificate from Olsens Goldsmith.
Yeah, our good friends over at Olsens Goldsmith. Thank you so much for hooking us up with this thing. Dude, you look sick.
I feel fantastic.
So what was going through your mind when you took the first one, the nipple?
I'm just wondering if I still have it. I can't see. Is it still on my chest?
Does he still have a nipple there, Ballsy? Move some of this paint out of the way.
I think
Ballsy, get your tongue in there.
Yeah, I'll use my tongue. I just think in all he's a nipple, but His woman loves him now, and that's great. It looks good. You look at he's got the yellow. I don't know. Can you choose your paint in this thing? Can it be
It can be any color you want.
Yeah, we
Wow.
got yellow paint here dripping down his chest.
And he's shivering to beat hell. You
Yeah.
know what? I think we're going to let him put his clothes back on. Folks, one more round of applause for Fred. Come on. Well done, Fred. Enjoy that diamond ring.
And remember, folks, these things only happen on the Wolf.
Wow, Fred.
Good, thanks. Oh, you know, pretty.
You guys want a quick picture before I get?
Yeah, sure.
Absolutely, man. Are you okay?
Absolutely.
Oh, right on, man.
I don't think mine's gonna work. Oh, it's dead.
Take a good look at this before we go in.
Hit right. Look at the. Oh, Christ! You gotta see this.
We have a bleeder. Well, you guys, see ya. Because of our technical difficulties, our boss Hurricane might go off more than the gun.
When we were sitting out here, we had one distraught guy run up to our truck and go, "Did you see someone come by here holding a baby?" And I'm like, "No."
Yeah, behind him, yeah.
He'll never miss.
You get the worst view though if you stand right behind me. So.
Oh, yeah. Okay, Ballsy, how this is going to work?
How about I stand in front of him?
You stand right in front of him.
I'll stand in front of him.
No!
Holy jeez, you look
Kept that for
really
a second.
buff there.
It's the string underneath his ass crack that makes his bum look dirty.
Here's your $30 gift certificate.
Yeah, small typo. This place is
You didn't read the fine print of that waiver you signed. The first 1,500 goes to Kristen Ball.
Let's get a picture of you without the helmet. Don't worry about your hair, man. You're getting married.
Gosh.
I'll get one on the back end of them, too, here. Don't worry, man.
You want a real?
We'll blank it out on
That's
the
for our
website.
special member section.
You gotta get
License to rock member.
Yeah,
I'll get an email.
you gotta get in there with for a
Just put
picture of
blur
them.
over where the fur is
So
in the
let's do
middle.
that.